So I'd make a video on how to change your rear brake pads on your Yamaha Rhino. So there's a skid plate that goes across here, plastic piece. Takes 10mm socket, pull that off. I'll say there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, I think. And then I jacked it up. You can see it's on jack stands. Took the tire off, it's easier to reach. There's 2 bolts, one that goes here and one that goes right there. They're 14mm. Pull those 2 out and then just slide it off of here, and then inside here, right there, those 2 holes, you'll need an Allen wrench. Pull those out, and then your brake pads just slide right out. Mine got worn out, was making a lot of noise because when I changed it, the one I changed it with ended up breaking, so I ended up leaving the old one on, and it's worn out now. So gonna order me some new ones. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.